Hello, I'm Audrey, and today I'll be showing you how to locate a resource's permalink in an EBSCO database. Begin on the home page of the EBSCO database. I am using Academic Search Complete as my example. Type the name or author of the resource that you would like the permalink for into the first search bar at the top of the page, and then click the gray search button to its right. Locate the resource from the list of results and click on its title to view its full detail. On the right-hand side of the screen, there will be a list of tools for sharing the resource. At the bottom of this list is a button titled Permalinks. Click on this button, which will make the full permalink URL appear right above the title of the resource. You can highlight the URL by double-clicking its text, allowing you to copy it to your device's clipboard. You can now paste the permalink into your bibliography, syllabus, or course page. Thanks for watching, and happy researching!